In today's world, I've seen this problem in many people. They may or don't have any disease. The people who are watching this video, just think it on yourself. You may be at any age group, okay? You may be 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s. Sometimes you may be completely healthy. You are not under the care of any medical supervision. You don't have any health problems. But can you say that I'm healthy? Is that is justified? What is a real health? Do you have the definition for a real health? Physical, mental, emotional. All three to be together to call someone as an healthy. Why I am telling this is many people may not have diseases like diabetes or hypertension or a cardiac problem or anything. They may not require any regular medications. But do you think that you're having some sort of problem within you? Maybe some people are having a chronic smoking habit, or maybe some sort of intermittent alcohol or a regular alcoholics, some sort of drug undertaking, drug abuse, or you may be having some sort of sleeplessness, or you're having very restlessness, you're getting too much of anxiety at work that is disturbing your progress in your life or growth in your career. Have you thought of this? And on all top of it, a common thing which is seen very common in every healthy individual is, are you on the normal weight? Have you thought of it? The people who are watching this video just think, am I having a normal weight? My weight is keeping fit. There are two things. Many people will not face the problem because of overweight at an early stage. Like you're creating a foundation for some bigger diseases for the future. If you are overweight, you are more likely to develop diabetes, you are more likely to develop hypertension, you are more likely to develop cardiac disease, you are more likely to develop MI, heart attack, stroke. So, if you are overweight, have you ever noticed this? I'm going to create an environment for developing some disease for me in the future. How many of you have thought of this? This is something we need to understand. So, if I am healthy, this is the gift of God. This is the gift of divine, because I'm not having any symptoms. I'm just overweight. I eat what I like. I take adequate non-vegetarian food or a Western type of food, all sorts of diet. Completely, I'm living my life on my own because I'm young. I'm able to withstand everything. My weight gain has not given me any trouble for me at this moment of time. Full of junk foods. And what I prefer, beverages, everything you do, you don't have any problem. You are in 20s, 30s, 40s. But imagine your life will go like this way. Never. I see. If you are not going to invest on your health at this point of time, you are going to lose all the wealth whatever you have, and on top of it, your peace, your happiness, everything will be lost. If you are not healthy, you cannot live happily in your future. If you are not healthy, you cannot have peace in your mind in the future. And if you are not healthy, whatever the wealth you are stored now is going to lose in the future. Have you ever noticed this? So health is the most important indicator. And on health, your normal weight is something very essential. How many of you maintain a normal weight? And I see very much a pity point. Many people who are overweight, who are obese, they tried lot of methods. They try to do on dieting, they try to do physical activity like jogging, walking, swimming, they do lot of physical activities. They try to do some sort of multiple diet regimes, intermittent dieting, paleo dieting, lot of nutritional protein drink. Nothing is responding. Sometimes you go for some people go for bariatric surgery, some people go for liposuction, some people go for some massage therapy, some people go for some nutritional programs, some people go for some weight reduction programs. You go everything. You must have tried. You must have some consciousness. You must have had the understanding. You thought of all these problems, but you are not able to overcome it. If that is also a problem, still you are going to face the problem in the future. Are you going to take an excuse? And if you see, I've seen a small set of people with all sorts of these measures, whether you name it as a paleo diet or intermittent fasting or a swimming or a jogging or a complete diet program or a few days of fasting, getting the weight down, all these measures, some weight loss programs, everything. You may have a response in the initial stage. Once again, when you get back to normal life, you get back to the routine. Once again, you start gaining the weight. Sometimes it's called rebound phenomenon. You get more than the what you've lost. Am I right? What you were earlier, you must have gained more than what you have lost. So this is what we are seeing. So in our facility, we see all these type of people. If you are healthy, doesn't mean you are not having diseases. You are a precursor of a disease. You are going to develop a disease in the future. Why not you keep yourself fit now? And once the disease sets in, the problem starts bubbling up. If you're going to arrest at this point of time, have you heard of this called word pre-diabetes, pre-hypertension? Have you heard of these words? These are all the new terminologies used in medical field. Like if they say it is a pre-diabetes, after 5 years you'll develop a diabetes. Can you believe this? If you say someone has a pre-hypertension, if your blood pressure is supposed to be 120/80 and if it is 130/90 or 140/90, it's called pre-hypertension. So over a period of time, you become a real hypertensive. You'll have to live on medications. So how many people use this? So this is the shock. This is a fact. This is a real incidence. This is what happening in the modern world for all the age groups. So where are we now? How to balance this? Yes, I will tell you. I will give you a solution. If you are really conscious, you want to get your weight down to healthy life, without much compromise. I'm not against non-vegetarian. I'm not against junk foods. But they are definitely not good for our health. But our taste buds are there. We love to eat. We don't want to give up. I am with you. I'm not against it. But it is not good. At the same time, I know your age is not permitting. Start. Come forward. Restrict it. Reduce it. But don't give it up. I want to be one among you. I understand your emotions. I understand your expectation. I understand where you are standing now. After all, I must have crossed you and I have come at this point of time. I may be in my early 40s. So I am looking at the different way. When at time you're at your age, what I would have done? So in the way I should treat you, we are handling a very, very, very different of its program called weight management. Weight loss program. It is purely a different method. Why have you ever thought when I do an intermittent fasting, my weight goes down. After that, my weight catches up. When I do a protein drink, my weight goes down. After that, I catches up. When I do swimming, my weight gains down. After that, I catch. When I do some exercise, I do for some sort of weight loss program in some clinics or some weight reduction centers. Everything is going in initial response. Then it is getting not responded later. Why? The reason is you're not gone to the problem what it is underlying. When your body is being made up of as a basic unit, the body is not same for everyone. Everyone has different body types. When we see yourself, we see at the root cause level. We see so many people. Our treatment of medicine is called functional medicine. It's a very, very different approach where we see which part of hormones is dominating in your body. So many people have some sort of called thyroid body type, adrenal body type, liver body type, steroid body type, and there is different methodologies. So when we identify which is your predominant hormones and why that hormone is giving you this problem, weight is only a byproduct. There is many other problems hidden behind that. We are identifying it. So we are going at the root cause level. When we treat you and we give you a weight loss program, when you enroll it, within 3 months, you get your desired weight loss in a very simplistic way. I don't put you on starvation. I don't put you on complete diet. I don't put you very tough activities. I don't stop you from working. But my approach is different. and after 90 days of treatment, you will be continue to remain healthy for your lifetime, provided what you have learned is going to motivate you to, because I've taught you what is the real way of living a healthy life, and you would have learned so many things, you will never go out of it. This has happened in my life. I was at one point of time, I was around 81, 82 kgs, but now I am at 67 kgs. So just within 3 months, I've gone down the weight, and I've understood now I'm very happy. I'm able to work more. I'm able to give my fullest concentration and attention. My productivity has improved. My life has transformed. My outlooks have changed. My presentation is different. My skills have been improved. My communication to the clients has been totally changed. So this is something I've analyzed. I've benefited. So I don't want to go back to that. So this is what's going to happen for you also. So this is something you need to understand. First, give your investment. If you're overweight, if you're obese, don't be upset, don't be worried, but try to motivate you. Try to come forward. Understand our program. Understand what is the problem in your body. Why I am gaining weight. Some people I've seen very pathetic. They don't eat more but they catch weight. Multiple problems are there. Some people eat more but they don't gain weight. So that is also going to be a problem. Not all people who are healthy or lean or normal weight doesn't mean that they don't get diabetes or cardiac problem. They may be having bad cholesterol still in the body because of their eating habits. You cannot escape from all these things. So we need to understand, at least if you're overweight or obese, you need to come forward, understand what is my problem. So we are giving a very, very, very international recognized treatment from in functional medicine, doing your hormonal analysis by a very different equipment, understanding the entire parts of the body from head to foot. Where is your muscle distribution, fat distribution, how it is distributed, is equal or unequal, which areas on both sides, where is your weakness, and what could be your probable hormonal type, what is going to trigger you for this sort of a excessive weight gain. It is only the diet, never. Multiple factors are there. We are going to cleanse your body, we are going to enrich your body, we are going to energize you, we are going to make you feel rejuvenated. You feel really something different, you feel motivated, you love to work, you don't become exhaustion, you don't become tired, you don't lose your fatigue. All these things won't happen. So this is the beauty, this is the thing which you need. So contact us, keep in touch with us, come to us, understand your problem. If you are impressed, go for a treatment, get the benefits, spread the message. Thank you.